That is available. I have to back to about 5 miles out of the way. The 1.9 decimal. Picture left on Alpha, 0.9, Delta 31.
And approach United 8 Heavy is leveling 190.
CW 708 information, November is current, the altimeter is 3040.